Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all today? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School Kite Campus English Language Lecture number 13 prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. Here we are going to do some forms of verb. First form, second form, and third form. Take, took, taken. Do, did, done. Waste, wasted, wasted. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Get, got, gotten. Visit, visited, visited. Catch, caught, caught. Deliver, delivered, delivered. Distribute, distributed, distributed. Help, helped, helped. Laugh, laughed, laughed. So students, these are the forms of verb. You have to learn it by heart and properly. Now we are going to do some exercises from Oxford Progressive English, Unit number 2, Lesson number 4, Question number 2. Listen and complete these sentences with verbs from the dialogue. Emma says she will have a slice of pizza. Tahir says he will ask Komal if he is free. Max is going to learn to ride a horse. Praveen says she will try to phone Mariam later in the evening. Saira says she is going to buy a CD with her birthday money. Alice is going to watch The Sunken City. Unit number 2, Lesson number 4, Question number 2. Read the dialogue and correct one mistake in each of them. Here, guys, what you have to do, you have to replace will with am going to, and where it is written am going to, you have to replace it with will. I hope you will understand what I'm trying to say. Why have you bought that book and DVD? I will learn Italian next term. Here in the bracket you are watching that it is written am going to. So we have to replace will with am going to. So the right answer is I am going to learn Italian next term. Number 2. There are no more eggs in the house. Oh, in that case, I am going to get some tomorrow. And the right answer is, oh, in that case, I will get some tomorrow. So, here you can see that I have replaced I am going to with will. Have you got a video to watch this evening? Yes, Mom, we will watch The Sunken City. The right answer is, yes, Mom, we are going to watch The Sunken City. I can't close this window, Grandpa. Don't worry, I am going to do it for you. And the right answer is, don't worry, I will do it for you. What are you planning to do on Saturday? On Saturday morning, I will do some shopping. But the right answer is, on Saturday morning, I am going to do some shopping. Somebody is knocking at the door. Oh, I'm going to go and open. But the right answer is, oh, I will go and open it. So guys, here you have seen that how I replaced am going to with will, and how did I replace will with am going to. I hope you understand this very well. Write it down, all the words, all the things in your books properly, and learn it by heart. Now we will do unit number 5, lesson number 1, question number 1. Write will or going in the blanks. Dear Judy, thank you for your long email all about yourself and your family. Good luck with your Italian lesson. If you like, I will send you a CD of some Italian songs. I am attaching some photos of my family. If they don't come through, tell me and I will send them again. This weekend, we are going to visit my uncle and aunt who live by the sea. It's my aunt's birthday. I am going to have a lunch party. Next term, I am going to take dancing lessons. I already do gym and go to drama club, so I am sure I will enjoy it. My grandmother has just arrived for supper. I will email you soon. I promise. Love, Maria. Here, all the bold and underlined words are your answer. Do write all the answers in your books neatly and nicely. Take care, all of you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.